Hi everybody. I thought I'd take a few moments to let you know, and let you see kind of what's going on at my house today. It's unusual in the United States to get a plumber on a Saturday, but this gentleman works 7 days a week and well, I'm getting a new sewer line because the sewer line, after a little bit of research, we discovered, I walk around this way because I don't have his permission, a little bit of research revealed that the plumbing in our 1939 bungalow was installed in 1960. So the sewer line that I have been having recurring problems with for over a decade, the sewer line is now being replaced because the one I had was 64 years old. So we have a crew here laying a new sewer line, and they are now covering it back up. And he has been very delicate around my fig bush. I don't know if you can see all the different little colored flags in the yard. There are also areas that I can't show you right now. Here are more flags marking the work area, spray paint that you probably can't see, but blue on the grass marking a water line, yellow marking the natural gas line, orange marking communications, yellow, no, let's see, I already did that, green marking sewer, and red marking electricity. Yeah, so that's that. I think I'm going to upload it on both channels, Lip Luck No More, as well as Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction, for a double whammy, so that all of our treasured loyal viewers and subscribers on both channels can see what's going on here today. So I will definitely have some yard work to do after this, but now, rather than watch my fig bush, now rather than a 64-year-old sewer line connecting to the mains in the street behind the machinery that's working right now, yeah, I have brand new. For those of you who are familiar with plumbing, we actually still had what's called Orangeburg at one point with the juncture with the main trunk line to the sewer. If you know what Orangeburg is, that kind of gives you a bit of an idea regarding how old at least parts of our sewer line was. So that's it. Onions are doing great. The tomato plants that were ravaged by the indoor rescue kitty Will-O-Wisp have recovered and are blooming, as well as the pepper plants that were ravaged in the same way, but not by willow. The peppers were ravaged by, I believe, Tres Amigos. Anyway, and no matter how much we dig, more cannons keep coming. Okay, guys, so that's it. Just a quick check-in, and I don't have any commentary that I can think of that would be of benefit to anybody at all regarding anything that's going on YouTube. I've gotten half of the yard mowed, and Bob is about to wash the Harley. Rags the rescued dog is safe and secure in her kennel while all the work is going on. And all is well at the Brewer Hacienda. Looks like he's gonna jack her up. Talk to you guys pretty soon. Love everybody on both channels. This has been Susan with Lip Lock No More and Furry Feline Monsters Mass Destruction.